Alright, Javier Lomelin back here with another video for the AMZ Toolkit template. We're going to be looking at the admin tools folder. Very first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the keyword reset flow. Alright, so we're going over to the keyword reset flow. It's AMZ keyword reset, and we're going to hit edit. Now this flow is triggered every day at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is a rule-based trigger. As you see right here, event, date, time based trigger, right? So here we have the trigger, it's activated. It triggers one day after AMZ event reporting update sheets at the time of that cuff. So this is going to be something that you're going to send yourself every single day. It's going to be automated, so you don't have to touch it anymore. But you also have to remember to add yourself the AMZ reporting admin tag. Now also make sure that you are the only one with this tag, nobody else. So that way nobody else accidentally sends themselves this flow. This will create a lot of chaos because if you and somebody else triggers this flow at different times of the day, the bot's going to update twice a day. So make sure it's only you who triggers this flow. All right. Now, once that condition is met, you are the one that's triggering this flow. You have this tag. Next step is in action. It sets the AMZ event reporting update sheets time cuff to that moment. All right, as you can see right here, to time of the action. The next step is that it increases the AMZ unique value to 1. This unique value is what resets the bot. It resets every single product and keyword every single day at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right? So once those two things are done, we do an insert row Google Sheet action. Let's check it out. Now you're going to be selecting the AMZ Toolkit Management Spreadsheet, and as for worksheet, it's going to be bot reset. The only two things you're going to be adding into this sheet are the unique value and the event reporting update sheets. That's all you're going to do. So this is the bot reset tab within the AMZ Toolkit Management. As default, I have some miscellaneous data right here. You can delete that once we preview this flow right here. Real quick, bear with me. Right now in the dashboard, you're going to see that the today sales are 0. And you're going to see right here, unique value is 0. In all sales, I have some dummy data, and it's for product that with a unique value of 1. It's 3 of them. So in a few moments, when I preview this flow, you're going to see this change to 1. You're going to see here, count for the day is going to change to 3, as well as here as well. All right. So real quick, I'm just going to publish this, preview, and all of a sudden it changes to 3. All right, so from here you're going to see in the bot reset tab, it's going to say the date that you triggered this flow. You're going to have the unique value, and you're going to have the day that it's on promo, right? So here it's just the date without the time. You can go ahead and now delete this row. You don't need it anymore. If let's pretend 24 hours passes, this flow gets triggered again. Let's pretend it gets triggered. This is what you're going to see. November, let's pretend here it's going to say November 20th at 7:23. Unique value is 2. And here let's pretend it says November 20th as well. Now, the second that I did this, here this changed to 0. All the products, all the keywords finally reset. So the next day, every cell that we see in this sheet for all sales, it's going to say 2. Now there's 2 bits of advice that I want to give out to you. You want to reset the bot every day at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because that is when Amazon resets all their information for the new day. But also you want to set your bot to your time zone. Now after working with multiple 7 to 8 figure sellers, one of the things that was mostly requested was that we update the bot according to when Amazon updates their information, right? So we always update everything at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. One thing to notice here is that we set up our bot to our time zone, right? So right here it's Central Mexico. I am in Central Mexico at the moment, right? So right now that I just triggered this keyword reset, it has it at 7:23:34. So now what I want to know is what time it is here during in my current time zone while it is midnight in Pacific Standard Time. So what we do is we just click here, check time. All it says here in the Google search is what time is it here if it's midnight in Seattle, and now you know what time it is in your time zone. So now that I know that it's 2 o'clock in the morning when it's midnight in Seattle, what I go ahead and do is I go back to live chat and I change my cuff for event reporting sheet. So let me just click here. I click here and I change it to 2 in the morning. Whoops, there we go. So now the rule is going to trigger tonight, November 20th, 2020 at 2 in the morning. And this is how the bot's going to reset every single day. This is how the keyword reset flow works, all right? Now the older flows in the admin tools folder, all they do is you can erase your personal cuffs. It just gets everything that you have and just erases that. We have the AMZ turn PayPal on or off. This is something that you can trigger with a keyword within Messenger. All you have to type is 86 space PayPal or 86 PayPal altogether. And you need to have the AMZ admin tag. If you do have it, it sends you the next message, which is basically a picture of the PayPal logo. It tells you PayPal is currently on or off. It'll tell you right here. It checks the condition. If it's off, it asks you click the button below to activate PayPal rebates. If it's on, it will send you a message that says click below to deactivate PayPal rebates. You click any of those things, and if it's on, it will turn it off. If it's off, it will turn it on. And from there, it just tells you that it's been either activated or deactivated. Next flow is for promo status. It's AMZ turn promo on or off, okay? Same thing as before, there's a keyword trigger that you can do within Messenger. It is 86 space promo or 86 promo altogether. Again, it checks for the admin tag. If it does have it, cool. It sends this message, all promos are currently, and it either tells you on or off. From there, same thing as before, it checks if promo status is off or if it's on. If it's off, it says click the button below to activate all promos. If it's on, it says click the button below to end all promos. You click the buttons, it either sets it to on or off, and it tells you great, all promos are on, or alrighty, all promos are off. Now you can also activate the admin menu, all right? This admin menu, like the previous flows, you can activate with a keyword. All you have to do is type admin in Messenger and it sends you this flow. Checks for the admin tag. If yes, it sends you this gallery where you can select any of the options that you may need for your bot. All right, so this is the admin tools folder. I'll see you in the next video.